Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. Before we continue, please subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy, and turn on the notification button. Sorry, the analysis is coming a little bit late. It's supposed to be yesterday. This is our weekly analysis from today is 29th of November 2022. It's already Tuesday. We're supposed to be from 28th of November till Friday the 2nd of December. Alright, so notwithstanding, we just need to give you our analysis to review last week results or last week analysis, and then also to see what we're expecting in the market this week being as I said before, today is 29th of November. So let's look at what we're expecting in the global financial markets. Let's see what we are going to see in the forex markets and commodity markets. All right, so let's start with XAUUSD, which is good. Usually we know that we place much emphasis on gold trading, on the gold XAUUSD, so we are going to start usually with gold. Last week analysis, we told you that we're expecting gold to go a little bit up before it goes down, and that was why we started buying gold. So if you followed our analysis, and if you are also on our paid group or free group as well, because we send it did we send it to free group? Not really sure, but we send it to our paid group. But that day when I made the last video, I told you that we want to buy gold. So if you follow the video, I know you must have also made profit with us, because I told you we are going to buy gold, and we actually bought gold and we made good profits. You can see where it got to, and I told you that it may actually go up and then try to retest 38.2 before it will actually move up, because on a bigger time frame we are seeing gold will actually move higher, at least up to 1800 to test 1800, even up to 1820 or 1830 area. So at the moment it have not done that, so we are still seeing that gold will likely still touch 38.2, or if you will not see retracement of this high from this low to this high 38.2, it will most likely touch 38.2 before going to 1800 and further, maybe 1820, 1830. So on that note, this week what we are seeing on gold is still the bias is still the same. At the moment there is no clear direction, because it have not touched 38.2, where we intend to actually enter with our full chest to buy gold. So at the moment, yesterday and today I have not sent signal on gold. Let's watch out and see if gold wants to actually move from this point to make new high, or it will actually respect this analysis and go to 38.2. So on lower time frame, once I see any opportunity on lower time frame, I could actually send to the free group. Since I did not send last week, I could actually send gold trade to the free group if I see any opportunity on lower time frame. Okay, that's my analysis on gold. All right, so let's go to USD card. All right, last week we told you that USD card could actually move down from this level, this 38.2, because last week it touched 38.2, and that was why I asked you to book your profits. Remember, last 2 weeks we made good profit from USD card. So last week when I made this analysis, I said let's book a profit on USD card, because price could actually continue to move up to touch 61.8, or price could actually respect this zone, go down first before going to touch 61.8, which is actually what you can see. If you watch our previous video, you will see all these lines. This analysis is there. This is an old analysis. I have not deleted anyone, so I told you that I'm going to leave those analysis, those drawing like that, till the next analysis, which was supposed to be yesterday, but we're doing it today. All right, so you can see that price actually respected that 38.2, move down a bit, and then move up again. So you remember that last week I told you that USD CAD could be on the way to touch this 1.8 before actually we can see more down movement. So, and I said until then that I'm not going to trade USD CAD. So last week I didn't actually send it the trade, even though when I saw this retracement, I saw some of this price action. I actually bought USD CAD yesterday and the day before yesterday, but I didn't actually send it because for me it's still not a high probability trade setup. So I love to send high probability trade setup. So when I saw this movement and I started seeing some kind of strength, bullish movement. So yesterday I actually traded it, more especially when I saw this gap. I started trading USD CAD and I made good profits. So but this week, what I'm still seeing is that what I'm saying this week is that USD CAD is still not a high probability trade setup, and there is news on USD on CAD today. So let's see what will play out, if it will actually move and touch this 1.8 before you look for a position to sell, or if you actually come down more back to this region before we actually buy USD CAD. So at the moment USD CAD there's no good setup on USD CAD. So that is it. That's my analysis on USD CAD. So let's go to USD JPY. USD JPY, I told you last week when it touched this level with this price action, I told us to buy USD JPY, and that was last 2 weeks, and we bought and made good profit. So last week I said let's book our profits on USD JPY, which we actually did. Why? Because we made good profits. But that last week I said price have not touched 38.2, but because we made good profit, almost around 400 plus pips, I said that's a good profit. You can actually book your profits. But if you decide not to book, you can move your stop loss to entry points and partial close your position, because price could actually go back to retest this structure, and that is what is currently happening. So price have actually gone back to retest this structure. So USD JPY on daily time frame, what I'm seeing is that price could actually respect here. So we need to watch out for good price action to continue to buy USD JPY to get to 38.2 or 61.8. Otherwise, a break of this structure will bring price down. If there's a break, so let me add new one for this week. So if this place is broken, we'll see price go down. We'll see price go down from this place. So at the moment, I don't want to buy USD JPY, even though price is back to this support zone, because this is support zone. You can see it from this point. Let's draw the line. Let's show you. This is a support zone. So price is actually at the support zone, but we don't know whether price will break it and go down, or price will respect it. So time will tell when we see a good price action. If it is respected and we see a good price action, then we'll send a signal. If not, we stay out of the market, or otherwise when price breaks this support zone, retests it, then we can start to sell USD JPY. So at the moment, no good structure on USD JPY. So for those that, if you are aggressive trader, you could actually buy USD JPY because price is actually at the support zone. So if you are an aggressive trader, you can enter the trade with 100 pips stop loss, and then or you can decide to even take less than 100 pips stop loss, because if price breaks here, let's look at how many pips from where the price is. This is where the price is. So yeah, you could take the trade with 100 pips stop loss if you want to buy from this particular support zone, because we are anticipating that price should get to 38.2 or 61.8 of the same level of this movement, this massive movement. This is the movement from this top to this bottom. So there should be a retracement of 38.2, 61.8, and then if price wants to go further down, then it will go. So that's my analysis on USD JPY. All right, let's go to AUD/USD. All right, AUD/USD. Last week I told us to book our profits for AUD/USD because we actually, let's go to daily time frame. Yeah, this is the analysis we did. We actually sold when price touched. We are buying AUD/USD, but when price touched this place, and I said we should sell, and that was last 2 weeks. So we actually made good profits. And I said last week, let's book our profit because price could actually bounce. At that moment, the price have not actually touched 38.2, but it was very close to 38.2. As a price could actually move more down and touch 38.2, but because we've made good profit over 170 pips, that we could actually book that profit because price could bounce. And exactly, price did exactly what I said. It bounced and it came back to this region. And as it came back with this region yesterday, you can see that on Friday, you can see these two. This is a good price action. This particular thing that has happened here, this place is a good price action. Is actually a good price action that we see here. These two candles. Alright, so and yesterday price moved down more. When I saw this, I actually sold yesterday AUD/USD. So today price have is retesting here. So for me, we can sell AUD/USD. And tell you, we can sell AUD/USD. I'm seeing price respecting here. I'm seeing price respecting because this is like a double top now. It came here and it came back Friday and yesterday. It's also respected it and price moved down. So from this point, I could see price go down to touch 61.8. So for me, I think AUD/USD, we can sell AUD/USD this week, believing that price could get to 61.8. Or of course, you need to use proper risk management. Remember, our analysis is not 100%, but at least it's over 90 to 95% accurate. So you can actually take the opportunity and sell AUD/USD. Right, so let's go to NZD/USD. All right, same NZD/USD is somehow different because we were buying NZD/USD and we actually booked profits when we saw that it was more of like when it got to this structure. And last week I said let's sell. Last week I said let's sell NZD/USD. We actually sold and made some good profits. But when I saw that price was more of trying to consolidate, I said let's book our profit that price may actually break this structure. We had the first scenario, which is price continue to go down to 30.2, but because of how the price was behaving, I said price could actually break this structure, retest it and go up. So at the moment, price have broken this structure and it broke it and came back inside. It stayed back inside. So today it's trying to break the structure again. So we need to watch out to see a proper break of this structure. Once there's a proper break and retest, then we could buy NZD/USD. But until then, if price today did not break, close above and then come back and retest and go, then it means that NZD/USD we also follow AUD/USD and go down. So at the moment, I think I will leave NZD/USD. But if you're an aggressive trader, you can still trade it. You can. But if you're looking for what to do on NZD/USD, I would rather say you should sell because price is behaving as if it's going to go down from here. It's not giving us a good strength to break, even though today price is still bullish today, but we have not seen price break here and close above and break and then retest, and then that until then that's when we buy NZD/USD. So that's my analysis on NZD/USD. So let's wait more. It is better you take your time, wait, watch, wait, and then once you see all the criteria met, you enter trade than rushing into trade. So it's better you wait than rushing into trade, guys. So that's what I'm doing now. So it's better you wait for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, and then trade 1 day and make good profit that you want to trade all days and then you lose your money. Okay, so let's go to GBP USD. Wow. All right, this is GBP USD. GBUSD, our previous analysis on GBUSD, we actually said last week that we should all close our sell on GBUSD because price was actually consolidating, but I was more bearish than bullish on GBUSD. That's why I said price could go down. Price is supposed to go down at least to touch 38.2 from there before price goes up. So you can see what is happening. It tries to break this structure, but yesterday it come back and close inside, so meaning that price could actually go down. So for me, GBUSD, if you want to trade GBUSD, I would say that price for me could go down from this point. What price is actually doing is to retest this movement of yesterday. So for me, GBUSD, I still believe that price should go down from here to touch 38.2 before going up. So let me delete the previous one. Because price didn't move down as forecasted last week, but rather price tried to move up and it's still at that particular zone. So price is still at a good zone where we can short GBUSD. So today, believing that dollar could still be strong today. So you can see that on 1 hour time frame, there's already, I saw harmonic pattern right now. Let's see where I saw the harmonic pattern here. On 30 minutes time frame, there is a harmonic pattern for a sell for GBUSD. So you can actually join the trade right now and sell GBUSD from this point. Of course, normally we always advise you to use 100 pips stop loss, right? So you can sell GBUSD as we believe that this week price generally GBUSD is actually bullish on a higher time frame, but we are looking at a retracement. We are looking at a reversal at this point where price could actually go down to touch 38.2 of Fibonacci level. So you can join the trade. So let's see how it work out. Thank you. That's for GBUSD. So let's go to Euro USD. Wow, among all the pairs I saw today or I'm seeing today, I think Euro USD is giving us a good entry point. It's giving us a clear direction of what is happening in the market, because Euro USD, I said last week that we should close our sell when we sold from this point to this point. I said we should close because we made good profit and watch out to see what will actually happen last week. So now this is what has happened. Price actually went back to entry points and you can see the massive rejection yesterday. So this is the first one. When price touched here, it was rejected and it tried to retest it and go down. So now today, let me bolding it for you to still see. Today again, Friday and today, price actually went back to that point and it was rejected. Look at it, exactly the same point. Here it was rejected, it fell down. It came down here again, it was rejected. So today, I'm going to sell Euro USD. So you can join in the trade. Let's short Euro USD, because what price is doing today is just to retest this massive rejection. You can see the pin bar. So I'm going to sell Euro USD. Like I said, I'm going to sell Euro USD to at least 38.2, 50.0 or 61.8. From there, price could actually move higher. So I'm looking for reversal on Euro USD, and I've seen yesterday close that price have given us a good price action. So today it's just a retest, but until then, if price breaks, so if you want to sell Euro USD, of course you need to put your stop loss above this particular candle. Your stop loss should be above this candle, and then if price break here, then that's when price goes more up. Otherwise, price needs to touch 38.2 or 61.8 or 50.0 or 61.8. So you can join the trade Euro USD sell. All right, let's go to USD CHF. USD CHF, previously, look at where we started selling USD CHF until last week's when we closed our position and we started buying USD CHF. We said let's buy the retracement of this massive movement from this point to this point. You can see the analysis is still there, what we analyzed before, and I told you that most likely that price could actually continue to go up to touch the price could go up. This is what the first thing I said, that price could go to 38.2 and then from there and fall, or price could actually continue to go up to 61.8 and from there it fall back, or price could actually from this point, this is where we are analyzing, we are here, that price could actually go down first and from there price will now go up to touch 61.8. so the scenario that work out is the third one, which is price to actually go down first and then from there price will now go up. So like I was saying, so for USD CHF, what I'm seeing is that the last option, which is price to go down and move up, is what is playing now. So I'm seeing price go further up to 38.2 or 61.8. so if you can actually join the trade, because I've just entered a buy on USD CHF, so we could actually join the trade to get to 38.2 or 61.8. so price have respected this zone. Look at it, it came there and it was rejected, it went up, now it came back to this particular zone again and price is being rejected. So let's drop it so that we see this is the region we are looking at. Price came back here on a daily time frame. You see how many times price came here and retested it. This was the previous one we dropped. So price have come back here and retested. So we are seeing, what I'm seeing on USD CHF is to price to continue from this region, from this particular point now, to go further up to 38.2 or 61.8. so that's my analysis on USD CHF. so you can join the trade. You can see that we are not talking much about what we booked last week, because last week was more of waiting to see what the price will do. So now we have seen what the price did last week, so it has given us now an opportunity, an entry point for us to trade. So I've already entered the trade when I saw this particular candle, so I'm buying USD CHF. so you can join the trade because it's still fresh, because I'm still expecting this price to get to 38.2 or 61.8. all right, so let's look at Euro GBP before we come to JPY index. So Euro GBP, if you have watched our previous videos, you see that we have been selling Euro GBP from this point. We said that price will go down from either from this or the third level. So it came here, we sold, came to the second level, which is here, we sold also, right? So it didn't touch the third level. So from the second level we started selling and we have been selling. And last week analysis, I told you that Euro GBP will go more down. That's the only one those that followed my analysis actually make profit, because I say it will go more down, and it did actually went more down, because this is where we are. I told you to book, you can book your profit, but if you wish to hold it, you need to move your stop loss to entry point. But I said it will go more down, which is what has happened. Price have gone more down, and this week what I'm seeing, because price have come down to touch this structure, you can see the structure here. This particular place is a support level, so price hit here and it is bouncing. So I'm going to see Euro GBP, I'm expecting price to still go further up from this point, price to go further up from this point. So this is what we're expecting this week, price to go further up, maybe to go back to this region before if you want to fall. So that is it for Euro GBP. Congratulations to those that actually followed my analysis last week, because it went down, but it have touched a support area, and I'm anticipating price to go up from that. On Euro JPY, if you watch our previous videos, you see that we didn't trade Euro JPY, even though I said that price could actually go more down, because we started, this is the one I told you that price could touch here and from here price will fall, that we have to sell Euro JPY. Some actually took the trade, but some missed the trade because it didn't get to the entry point. It started falling exactly from when I analyzed it, started falling without getting to this point. So many persons actually missed the trade. But last week I told you that price is still at the middle, so I better stay out of Euro JPY. So that's why I stay out of Euro JPY, but I can see what the price is still doing. So there's every likelihood that price could actually go more down. But at the moment it's at the middle, and that's why I stay off Euro JPY. Alright, so I sent NZD JPY to the free group, and a lot of people made good profit. We made 150 pips from that trade that I sent. Let me show you, so that you know that you need to join our free group. The free group is Win Forex with Dubiss. Look at our free group here, Win Forex with Dubiss, and let's see. These are our EA performance. Our EA is actually doing well for those that wants to get EA. So let's see. When I drop the trade, I sent NZD. Sorry, I'm going back. I sent NZD JPY. Sorry, let's go down. Let's go down and see when it was sent, and we made good profits. NZD JPY. Alright, look at it here. NZD JPY. So look at it. Sorry, there was a mistake on the stop loss. Stop loss is actually 88.20. So alright, and you can see we made 100 pips. I mean 150 pips because it have hit TP3. So 50 pips for the TP1, then TP2 and 300 pips. So we actually made good profit from NZD JPY. Alright, so please subscribe to our Telegram channel where we drop signals, which is Win Forex with Dubiss on Telegram. Look at it, Win Forex with Dubiss. Win Forex with Dubiss. So that's where we'll send signal. If we see any good opportunities, I will just drop it there. Alright, so congratulations to those that took that trade. Finally, let's look at JPY. Look at JPY. If you followed our previous video, you see that we asked you last week to book profit for those that are trading JPY index, because it came down, and I told you that from this point that price could actually move up from here. Alright, when you check, let's start from this low. Let's see, when you check from this low to this high, you see that this is actually 61.8, and that was why I told you to book your profits. That price could actually bounce to go up from that point, and I draw this line that I'm expecting price to go up from this point. So price actually went up. So for those that trade JPY index, I don't trade JPY index, I only use it to analyze, to know what will happen in other JPY pairs. So this actually helped me to give me direction of where price could be heading to. So at the moment you can see that price actually came down here, respected this is to 1.8. so currently price is moving up just like as analyzed. So for those that are trading JPY index, congratulations, because I asked you to book profit that price could actually move up. So you can see how many points that price have moved. So congratulations. So that is it for our weekly analysis for this week. Congratulations to those that are following our channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Please subscribe to this channel and ensure you turn on the notification button. Please share these videos, watch our analysis, take action, take those trades, and follow us and make good profit for yourself. At Dubiss Forex Academy, your profit are goal. Cheers, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.